Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1622nd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Today is OMNI Camp, my seminar I hold here live in Las Vegas. This is the fourth day, day 4 of OMNI Camp. So I wanted to give you a Camtasia shoot or a desktop shoot, so at least you'll be in tune with what OMNI thinks will happen for the S&P for trading on Tuesday. As we know, futures trading is extremely risky, causes substantial financial loss, is certainly not suitable for all traders. You must know the risks behind this game and have risk capital to lose if you are willing to play in the futures industry. Always place stops. Always put your stops in first. There are some rumors out there that stops don't always work, and if you put a stop in a very illiquid market, like butter, you better believe you might get slammed. But if you put your stops in most of the thick markets, like the emini S&P and such, you should be just fine. Place your stops and don't worry about it. Traders, what's going on? It's Monday afternoon. I've got to get back to my OMNI campers and teach them a little more before we finish off our session. But I wanted to show you this. E-mini S&P bouncing off the 50-bar moving average looks fantastic. We had a perfect OMNI buy this morning right at the low. I gave it out to the OMNIacs. It rallied all the way up. They got out near the high. OMNI wants to buy it again on Tuesday. So we will be buying the dips, and it's a green OMNI for trading on Tuesday. Buy the dips, green OMNI. Of course, I will give you those trade recommendations as the market starts to move around. Green OMNI for Tuesday in your E-mini S&P. Then there's this. Watch this one. Look at the gold. There's a beauty. Watch what happens in the gold. Oh, you're going to love this. In the gold, like the S&P, we are buyers. We love it. It has held the 50-bar moving average just like the S&P did and started to rally. And it converged basically with the 200-bar moving average. They've come together in the form of some kind of a pennant flag. It's wonderful. This is exactly what we'd hoped for. So if you ask me, you got some kind of a pennant flag. We'll do it in green, so it's bullish. And pennant flag, bull flag, you got something right here going on. And you've got the convergence of the two averages. I think that's perfect. I mean, it's just what we'd want to see. So with the convergence of the averages, with the OMNI being green and wanting to go long, with the gold looking so fantastic right here, forget about whether this is a flag or not. We don't care about that. We care about the convergence of the averages and the fact that OMNI is bullish. That's enough for us to want to buy gold for trading on Tuesday. So remember, traders, come on down to livewithoscar.com. Hang out with me in my free live trading room. That's where all the action takes place. Remember that you must keep your emotions out of this game if possible. The best thing that you can do to keep your emotions at bay is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. If you're in here, you can sing. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com.